How to fix YouTube freezing on your Android phone. This will work on any Android phone, so please keep watching until the end. First thing, go to the settings on your phone, and now go to the apps manager. Click on it, and now click again on apps, and wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page, as you can see right here. Now go to the search bar, or you can just search by scrolling for YouTube. After you find YouTube app, all what you have to do is just click on it like this, and then click on storage option. Make sure to clear data right here, and after that go back, click on the permissions, and make sure to disable all those permissions, and go back, and this time scroll down, go to display over other apps, and make sure to enable it. Go back, and now all what you have to do is click on force stop and restart your phone, then open YouTube, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.